So, hi students, some small topic from chlorobenzene, the properties. So, on the chlorobenzene, the substitution reactions, if you see nucleophilic substitution reactions. So, nucleophilic substitution reactions not easily attack. Nucleophilic substitution reactions not easily attack on chlorobenzene like alkyl halides. Why? Because here double bond character. Yesterday we discussed the double bond character. Due to resonance, here carbon chlorine double bond character is appear. So due to double bond character, nucleophile OH minus nucleophile or any other nucleophiles not easily attack, not easily chlorine is eliminated. Okay now, but even though not easily attack, but at certain conditions that nucleophilic substitution takes place on the chlorobenzene. Okay now. So in what case, if chlorobenzene is having containing strong electron withdrawing groups, electron withdrawing groups under NO2, CHO, CN, COCl, COR, these are electron withdrawing groups called minus Me, minus mesomeric, minus resonance groups. So the presence of these groups, the chlorine is easily eliminated. Okay na? Otherwise, by maintaining high temperature and high pressure conditions, high temperature and high pressure conditions, right? At high temperature and high pressure conditions, the chemical reactions occur. So here nucleophile OH minus should be substituted at 350 degrees Celsius to 300 atmospheric pressure. At high condition, drastic conditions, nucleophile will be eliminated. First ONA will come, then after addition of acid, OH will be reappear. This is called Dawes process. In Dawes process, chlorobenzene gives phenol. And also with NaOH, if you NO2 group, one electron withdrawing group is present on the benzene ring, this group creates positive charge at a para position, so this nucleophile will be fastly attacked. Compared to here reactivity is fast because one electron withdrawing group is present. So here the temperature at 160 degrees only, the reaction will be attacked. Okay now, the OH will be attack and chlorine will be eliminated. Okay now, and the same case, here if you see here in this case, there are two nitro groups, two withdrawing groups are introduced. So if two withdrawing groups are introduced, this group will be positive creates here, and this group also creates positive here. More positive charge created, and the nucleophile very fastly attack. So this reaction is done even at low temperature, 95 degrees also. Okay now, and also if you take three nitro groups on the benzene ring, three electron withdrawing groups are present on the benzene ring, the same reaction occur even with warm water. No need to use high temperatures. Just warm water containing H plus and OH minus ions, directly it will be displaces, because these three NO2 groups creates more positive charge. Then nucleophile will be attacked, then chlorine is eliminated. Okay now, so here the condition is for the preparation of for the nucleophilic substitution reactions, if electron withdrawing groups are present on the benzene nucleus, then the chemical reactions, nucleophile will be fastly attack. So these are nucleophilic substitution reactions on the chlorobenzene. So next reactions with metals. So Wurtz-Fittig reaction. You know that Wurtz reaction. What is the Wurtz reaction? Here is the Wurtz reaction. If you see here, Wurtz reaction, 2 moles of alkyl halide when react with sodium metal, they give alkanes. Two alkyl groups join to form alkanes. Okay now, this is already we know that Wurtz reaction, the preparation of alkanes. When 2 moles of alkyl halides react with sodium metal with ether, it gives alkanes, is the Wurtz reaction. But here Wurtz-Fittig reaction mean here definitely aryl halide, one aryl halide, one alkyl halide. One alkyl halide, one aryl halide react to same conditions, metal, sodium and ether conditions. Here here will be eliminated. 2 moles of sodium and 2 chlorines. And this R group should be substituted here. Alkyl benzene is the product. Alkyl benzene. If you take methyl, methyl benzene. Ethyl, ethyl benzene is the product. So this is Woodju-Fittig reaction. Woodju-Fittig reaction. Okay na? Next, if you see some examples, if you take methyl chloride, here methyl chloride and chlorobenzene. Then with sodium metal, here what happened? Methyl benzene is the product. Methyl benzene, toluene is the product. And same way Fittig reaction. Fittig reaction mean only aryl halides. 2 moles of aryl halide react with sodium metal. 2 aryl groups will be joined. Same like Woodju reaction. That is called Fittig reaction. That is called Fittig reaction. 2 benzene rings will be joined to give biphenyls. These are called as biphenyls. So this is 2 alkyl groups joined. So that is Woodju reaction. 2 aryl halides, 2 phenyl rings joined. That is Fittig reaction. 1 alkyl, 1 phenyl group. 1 phenyl group, 1 alkyl group. If both are joined, that is Woodju-Fittig. Woodju-Fittig reactions. Woodju-Fittig reaction. So next, some electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. So on chlorobenzene, if you see here, the chlorine is ortho-para directing. Ortho-para directing. This is a ring deactivating group. Ring deactivating group. This is a special group, first year concept. Ring deactivating but ortho-para directing. That means if any electrophile is added, it will be attacked at ortho or para position. Ortho and para positions. Okay, na? So para product and ortho product both are forming. Okay. Here chlorine is acting as minus inductive effect and also plus mesomeric effect. Minus inductive effect ante electrons nu sigma bond ద్వారా electrons nu లాక్కోవడం విత్డ్రా చేయడం. ప్లస్ మీ అంటే ఎలక్ట్రాన్ పేర్స్ను డొనేషన్ చేసి రింగ్లోకి ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ను రిలీజ్ చేయడం. సో ఎప్పుడైతే ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ ఉంటుందో ప్లస్ ఎంఈ డామినేట్ అవుతుంది. ఇన్ ద ప్రజెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్స్ ప్లస్ ఎంఈ డొనేషన్ కెపాసిటీ ఆఫ్ క్లోరిన్ ఇంక్రీజెస్. Then the electrophile will be attacked at ortho-para positions because chlorine when releases electrons, it increases electron density at ortho and para positions. So that's why ortho-para positions ki electrophile will be attacked. So some examples here, the real examples if you see, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So methyl chloride in the presence of AlCl3, otherwise RCl in the presence of AlCl3. Here methyl CH3 is the carbocation. This is the electrophile. So it will be attacked para and ortho only. So para-chlorotoluene and ortho-chlorotoluene is the products. Always in these reactions, para is the major product. In any case also, para is the major product. So this is the Friedel-Crafts acylation case. This is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In the Friedel-Crafts acylation, we will take RCOCl. This RCO group, here I am taking methyl. So RCO group or methyl CO group, this is the electrophile. So it will be attack ortho and para positions and we will get to para ortho products. Okay na? This is a para chloroacetophenone. This is ortho chloroacetophenone. So para is again major product because at ortho position due to steric repulsions. Okay, now this is less stable. So para is the more stable. This is Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Next sulfonation, if you see concentrated sulfuric acid, if you use to the chlorobenzene, from sulfuric acid, sulfur trioxide is the electrophile. This sulfur trioxide attack at ortho and para positions and we will get to para-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, ortho-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid H. So these two products are again formed, meta is not formed, again para product is a major product. And next nitration. In the case of nitration, concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. So NO2 plus electrophile if used, that electrophile will be attacked from this electrophile, nitronium ion is formed, that will be attack ortho and para positions. The para nitro chlorobenzene, ortho nitro chlorobenzene, these are the products. So here also para is the more product. Okay, this is about chlorobenzene chemical properties, right? Chemical properties. Thank you.